Right now, we're witnessing an intriguing spike in sports sentiment, with a sentiment score of plus 0.10 and momentum soaring at plus 0.76. This isn't just noise, it's a significant deviation from the historical baseline, suggesting a surge in positive sentiment around specific teams or events. When you tap into our API, you get actionable insights, real-time sentiment analysis that breaks down into 17 semantic clusters. This means you can dive deep into what fans are really feeling, whether it's excitement, frustration, or anticipation. Imagine using this data to fine-tune your sports betting algorithm, or enhance fan engagement strategies for your app. By understanding the sentiment trends, you can make informed decisions and predict outcomes more accurately. For more details on how to integrate our sentiment analysis into your projects, visit pulsebit.loj enterprise.com/docs.